How many meals should you really eat per day? 3 square meals, 6 small meals, or is fasting the way to go? You've heard it all, but today we're breaking down the science behind meal timing and frequency so you can maximize fat loss, muscle gain, and energy. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which meal strategy works best for you. The big debate. Does meal frequency even matter? Here's the truth, there is no universal best meal frequency. What works depends on your lifestyle, goals, and metabolism. Studies show that total daily calorie intake and macronutrient balance matter more than how many meals you eat. But meal frequency can impact hunger, energy levels, and even metabolism. So let's break down the 3 most common meal strategies. Option 1, 3 meals a day. The traditional breakfast, lunch, dinner approach. Simple, sustainable, and widely practiced. Pros. 1, helps maintain steady blood sugar levels. 2, easy to stick to, socially convenient. 3, works well for those with normal work schedules. Cons. 1, some people feel too full after big meals. 2, not ideal for athletes needing frequent refueling. If you prefer bigger, satisfying meals and a steady routine, this works well for weight maintenance and overall health. You can consider adding a well-timed snack to this plan, either a protein and veggie smoothie, some Greek yogurt, or a handful of mixed nuts. Option 2, intermittent fasting. Fasting is trendy, but is it actually better for you? Intermittent fasting, or IF, involves eating within a time window. For example, 16-8 fasting means 16 hours of fasting and 8 hours of eating. Pros. 1, it supports fat loss by improving insulin sensitivity. 2, it may boost autophagy, which is cellular cleanup, and longevity. 3, it works for those who prefer skipping breakfast. Cons. 1, it's not ideal for muscle building, as long gaps mean fewer protein feedings. 2, it can cause energy crashes if you train fasted. If you struggle with calorie control or enjoy skipping breakfast, intermittent fasting can be a great tool for fat loss. But if muscle gain is your goal, you'll need to strategize your protein intake. Option 3, small, frequent meals. You've heard that eating every 2 to 3 hours boosts metabolism, but does it? Studies show meal frequency doesn't significantly affect metabolism. What matters is total calories. But there are some pros and cons. Pros. 1, it helps control hunger and cravings. 2, it can improve workout performance for active individuals. 3, it keeps protein intake steady for muscle retention. Cons. 1, it can feel inconvenient, always needing to prep meals. 2, there is no proven metabolic advantage over fewer meals. 3, if you eat too many carbs frequently in a day, it can affect your blood sugar levels, cause hypoglycemia and brain fog. If you're an athlete, bodybuilder, or someone who feels best eating often, this works well, but it's not essential for fat loss or muscle gain. So, which meal strategy should you follow? Here's how to decide. 1, if you want fat loss and appetite control, then intermittent fasting might be your best bet. 2, if you prefer structure and social meals, then stick to 3 meals a day. 3, if you're an athlete or struggle with hunger, then small, frequent meals could work better. At the end of the day, the best meal plan is the one you can stick to. Remember, nutrition isn't one size fits all. Find what works for you, stay consistent, and watch the results follow.